Hello student. So today we are going to learn about the various dimensions of business environment. So student, the dimension, elements and components or composites, these all are the synonyms. So in exam you may get the questions like write the elements of business environment or write the dimensions of business environment. Always remember the answer will be same. Okay, so let's start. So in our earlier class, we have discussed that the meaning of business environment is not it, or we have learned that the environment, the factors which are external to the business, is which has a indirectly affect the business, is called the business environment. Although there are some factors which directly affect, but as per our syllabus, we have to learn about the indirect factors, which indirectly affect our business. These are called the business environment, under which a businessman has to set his plan or businessman has to perform his activity. Okay, so let's start. So basically the components of business environments are as follows. You can see here the 5 factors. Okay, these all the factors you have to learn separately also. So in our next class we will discuss it in a detail. Okay, each and every elements we will discuss in detail. So see, there are social environment, legal environment, okay, then the technological environment, economic environment, and I think here there is some mistake. You can write it down as political environment. Okay, so these are the 5 factors which affect your business, and which is very important for a businessman to know these factors, because these factors has a greater impact on business. And if as a businessman you are ignoring them or you are avoiding them, you won't be success. Okay, so let's start one by one. The first environment is economic environment. So student, what do you mean by economic environment? So first of all, you should know that student, there are several economic factors, okay, like inflation, gross domestic product, is not it, then national income, okay, which affect the environment of business, affect the price, demand, supply of the product of the business. Okay, the economic environment consists the economic growth, your fiscal policies, economic stability, income levels. Okay, so a businessman need to study this economic environment before making various business decisions. Okay, the economic condition existing in the country, the stage of business cycle, the economic plans. So here in this diagram you can see there are 2 factors. Okay, one is microeconomic factors, another one is macroeconomic factors. The microeconomic factors includes the competitors, demand, market size, supply and suppliers. And then macro, you can see the unemployment rate, inflation, interest rate, that means the bank rate, okay, GDP, exchange rate. So these all the factors which has a greater impact on the business. For example, I would like to give you an example here, that if GDP, as you know what is GDP, GDP is the total amount of goods and services which are produced in a country in a particular year, in a particular financial year. Okay, this is called GDP. Those who have economics, I think they all know the meaning of GDP. So suppose if the GDP is increasing, that means what, the people has the goods and services are producing more, and the country is earning more income. That means the citizen of the country has also more income in their hand, especially the disposable income. तो जब लोगों के हाथ में डिस्पोजेबल इनकम ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं तो देयर विल बी मोर एक्सपेंडिचर, दैट मीन्स द डिमांड ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स विल बी मोर. सो एट दैट टाइम क्या होगा, बिजनेसमैन दे विल गेट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू प्रोड्यूस द मोर गुड्स एंड सेल देम सो दैट दे कैन अर्न प्रॉफिट. डू अंडरस्टैंड द साइकिल? देखो, जैसे कि जीडीपी जब बढ़ चुका है, जब सपोज जीडीपी अभी एट प्रेजेंट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पैंडेमिक द जीडीपी इज डिक्रीजिंग. लास्ट ईयर आई थिंक इट वाज -7.97. So why because that time goods and services are not produced in that manner. That's why क्या हुआ, लोगों के पास इनकम भी नहीं था. तो obviously there is a low rate of GDP, बेसिकली जो निगेटिव में चला गया था, एंड उससे क्या हो गया, जो डिमांड था प्रोडक्ट का वो भी रिड्यूस हो गया. ओके, और रिड्यूस के लिए बिजनेसमैन लोगों ने बहुत सारा लॉसेस फेस किया. ओके, व्हेन देयर इज नो डिमांड, देन what is the point to make product? Okay, so in this way the economic environment of a country affect our business. And the same way, suppose बैंक रेट, it is also one of the factor of economic environment. Suppose मान लो बैंक रेट now what is bank rate? Bank rate means at the rate at which central government, basically what is the central bank of our country? Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India grant loans to the commercial bank. Okay, अब बैंक रेट जब इंक्रीज हो जाता है तो कमर्शियल बैंक्स भी अपने बैंक लोन जो है उसका रेट भी इंक्रीज कर देता है. तो उससे क्या होता है, बिजनेसमैन लोग जब कमर्शियल बैंक से लोन लेते हैं तो दे हैव टू चार्ज मोर, क्योंकि बैंक रेट बढ़ गया. तो जब बिजनेसमैन लोग लोन लेने के टाइम में उनको ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट देना पड़ रहा है, तो दैट मीन्स वाइल प्रोड्यूसिंग द गुड्स दे ऑल्सो चार्ज मोर प्राइस. ओके, सो उससे क्या होगा, बिजनेस में इफेक्ट होगा. तो ऐसे इकोनॉमिक एनवायरनमेंट इम्पैक्ट डालता है एक बिजनेसमैन को. सो दैट्स वाई इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ए बिजनेसमैन टू लुक आफ्टर द इकोनॉमिक एनवायरनमेंट वेरी क्लोजली. And student, in our next video we will discuss about the economic environment in India in a detailed manner, because it is very very important for your exam. Next point, political environment. So student, here in this diagram you can see there are political environment means the government regulations and the legal system for a business, means the political system, the political factors which affect the business organizations. Okay, so here the components are, you can see the constitution, political philosophy, political parties, political institutions, then legal institutions. So these factors has also impact on the business organization. Okay, they may affect your business directly or indirectly. क्लियर. सो देखो क्या होता है, जैसे कि अभी एट प्रेजेंट बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट इज देयर. ओके, सो इन द, जैसे कि यू नो इन द ईयर 2016 डिमोनेटाइजेशन हुआ था. तो डिमोनेटाइजेशन क्यों हुआ था? बिकॉज गवर्नमेंट एट दैट टाइम जो गवर्नमेंट थे उन लोगों ने ये डिमोनेटाइजेशन लाया गया. ठीक है, डिमोनेटाइजेशन लाई तो उससे क्या हो गया, विद इन ए डे मीन्स जो 500 और 1000 रुपीज़ का जो करेंसी उसको बैन किया गया. तो डोंट यू थिंक दिस इफेक्ट द बिजनेस, एंड दिस इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ political environment. Okay, so businessmen generally try to anticipate the changes in the government policies or in the political forces so that they may be able to operate successfully. Okay, so the country in which your business is running, you have to follow the political environment of that particular country, no matter whether it is in India or no matter whether it is in US or Dubai, anywhere they have the particular political environment, and as a businessman you can't deny or you can't ignore the environment. Clear? Okay, next point is legal environment. Now student, don't get confused between the political and legal environment. See student, legal environment basically words which includes the laws of land, that means the law, okay, which is created by the court or which is created by passing some laws in the parliament. So these are laws which will exist for long. For in political environment generally क्या होता है, the system which may change. Like at present BJP government is there, so it is not necessary that after 5 years it will stay. New government will come and they will come up with new changes in the business, and as a businessman you have to follow. But legal environment means what? The factors which affect your business, and these are the laws which are in existence from the beginning, and new laws are coming and you have to follow. Okay, basically laws means like anti-pollution laws, then Consumer Protection Act, then Companies Act. At present we are following the Companies Act 2013, but earlier it was Companies Act 1956, and then FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act. These are various laws. So student, when you are going to study for going for the higher studies like M.Com, MBA और CA, तब तुम लोगों को एक एक लॉ के बारे में डिटेल्स में पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Okay, so this is very very important. Okay, so that's why you should know the things that this legal environment has a great impact on the business. Okay, so you can't deny the loss of a land. For example, जैसे कि consumer protection, एक पहले क्या होते थे, कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन मीन्स व्हाट, कंज्यूमर को प्रोटेक्शन दिलाने के लिए गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन लाया था. तो उसमें क्या था कि देयर आर सम रूल्स रेगुलेशंस ए बिजनेसमैन हैज़ टू फॉलो, मीन्स हाउ मच weight should be used, how to protect how to maintain the quality, and how a customer can complain. So as a businessman, if you ignore these things, okay, if you ignore these things, you won't be success in long run. Okay, so these are what legal environment. Next point is social environment. Now this is very important. Social environment means what? Where the society in which your business is running, and it is very important, student. The businessman may think that if we follow the political environment, if we follow the legal environment or other environment, so that's enough. But no, student, the society where your business is running, you have to take care of the society. For example, social factors like education level prevailing in the particular society where your business is running, then population, then lifestyle of the people, customs, traditions. These has a great effect on your business. Here I would like to give you an example. Student, have you ever noticed generally in online shopping, we do all online shopping, is not it? Flipkart, Myntra. Okay, so it at the time of Eid, at the time of any festivals like Diwali, Durga Puja, you will get lots of discounts. Okay, and why is it that they give only that with particular festivals, in particular festivals lots of discounts? Because this is the traditions of our country, this is the culture of our country. Because any particular festivals or any particular festivities, people purchase lots of things, lots of stuffs. So it is very give opportunity for the businessman to sell the product, to earn profit. That's why they take up the strategy, that's why they take up the policies to sell the product on that particular festivities. Okay, so this is social environment. So social factors generally क्या होते हैं, जो अभी आई थिंक तुम लोगों को समझ में आ गया होगा कि पर्टिकुलर कंट्री में कैसा लाइफस्टाइल चल रहा है, कैसा एजुकेशन चल रहा है, उसके ऊपर भी डिपेंड करेगा. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज यू वांट टू स्टार्ट योर ओन रेस्टोरेंट. ओके, सो तुम कौन सी जगह पे अपना रेस्टोरेंट खोलना चाहोगे? एक ऐसा जगह जहाँ पे लॉट्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स आर अवेलेबल, ओके, और लॉट्स ऑफ कॉलेजेस आर अवेलेबल, यहाँ पे ओपन करना चाहोगे, या फिर तुम ऐसी जगह पे ओपन करोगे जहाँ पे रूरल एरिया? सो यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस. ओके, if you start your own restaurant in any nearby the college or nearby any education institutions, there may be lots of chances ki you will get lots of customers. But unlike opening your restaurant in particular colleges or in nearby particular colleges, if you start your restaurant or open your restaurant in any rural area, do you think your product will sell, or do you think your customer will come? No, means you will get less number of customers. So in this way, social factors also affect your business, and as a businessman you should take care of those things. Okay, so next is technological environment. Now technological environment means what? See student, technological environment refers to the state of technology in the areas of manufacturing, mining, construction, etc. Okay, means as we know, the technology has shaped the face of human life faster than the pace of human. At present, see, now I am taking the online classes, is not it? But earlier it was not possible to take the online classes, and no one has never felt the demand for online classes. But because of this pandemic, because of these situations, it has created the needs for online classes, and because of the technological development, it is possible, it is helpful for the teachers to conduct the online classes. Okay, the advent of airplane, telephone, television, computer, cellular phone, internet, all these are the means all these are what? These are because of the technological environment, and this has a greater impact on the business. Okay, the world has moved from early machine age to digital age. At present, in earlier times, if you visit any factory, you may see there are lots of machines, and where products are produced with the help of this machine. I won't say that at present there will be no machine. There are no machines which will be used by the businessmen. Machines are there, but at present what happened? Robots are there, AI based machines are there, which may sometimes you may see that it is good for the organization, or sometimes you may feel that it is bad for the organization, because क्या होता है पहले क्या था कि बिकॉज ऑफ मशीन्स जो कि मैन्युअली किया जाता था, मीन्स लोगों को उसको चलाना चाहिए था, बट आजकल एआई बेस्ड हो गया, तो उसके वजह से क्या हो गया, लॉट्स ऑफ वर्क हैज़ बीन रिड्यूस्ड, डेट मीन्स मैनुअल वर्क बहुत रिड्यूस हो चुके हैं। तो इससे क्या होता है, बिकॉज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट तुम्हारा बिजनेस का भी शेप अलग हो गया, तो दिस इज इफेक्टिंग योर बिजनेस। क्लियर? So these are the factors, or these are the elements of business environment, and I hope you have understood. Okay student, so if you have any doubt, you can write down in the comment section. Clear? So that is for today. Thank you.